Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Monday, November 22nd, 2021, 8:35 a.m. Central Time. Gold down fairly hard. I did put out my gold report. I gave two scenarios, if it held the embedded status or if it lost it. You'll see this in the reports. You want to go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Under the word research, it is listed there. We just got a good pop in the stock market. President Biden has now nominated Fed Chair Powell for another term and has elevated Ms. Brainerd, who was the other person that was being considered, to vice chair nominee. So at least he's doing that part. There's still 3 seats open there. He's still got room to put his fingerprint all over this. In the energy market, we were down earlier and we've come snapping back since the president made that announcement. I have no idea what one thing has to do with another, but that's going on. Look at the big break in the nat gas. This is a monster break that is taking place. Beans taking off all of a sudden. We had a cattle on feed report. It was a bit friendly. If you take a look at the Chicago Federal Reserve October National Activity Index, 0.76 increase. The previous had been revised to a negative 0.18 from a 0.13. So these are very positive numbers. Existing home sales come out in about 20 minutes. And in Austria, today starts the lockdown. Now, I made it very clear that the lockdown is not for everybody in Australia. I had somebody write me. I've been saying this over and over. It is for the unvaccinated. They're going to now decide to, come the first of the year, you get a $4,000 fine if you're not vaccinated. And they're talking €1,500 if you don't get the booster shot. Now, Germany came out today. They are in a runaway situation, according to Ms. Merkel, to the downside in terms of all kinds of new cases of COVID coming out. They are considering what to do. So Austria set the bar. Now is Germany about to follow that? Dollar got a pop off of Fed Chair Powell's nomination. I'd be watching also bank stocks. Ms. Brainerd was going to be a little tighter on them than Mr. Powell, so it would be interesting to see how they do as we now know who the nominee is. I always thought it would be Powell. I didn't get the idea of Ms. Brainerd, but I do appreciate that she's very capable and she's now vice chair. I think that is a very good thing. As I said, I decided to put out my metal report. I did it over the weekend, but this one's a bit different. Not only do I cover the monthly chart, I cover weekly charts in detail and then the dailies, and I do it both. I didn't show you the seasonals intentionally in this report. I'll do that in another one, but I'm also covered gold in terms of the ETF and the gold miners. So you get the futures markets, you're going to get the miners, you're going to get the ETF of gold. I think I've given you a pretty good way to go about it. Just go to our website, and when you get there, go to the word research at the top of the page, click on, and enjoy the report. I'm Ira Epstein. Talk to you at the end of the day with your market wrap-ups. Have a great trading day.